Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will see an unboxing video of this soap dispenser. So let's see. In this box we will see this soap dispenser and also some accessories. This is the main soap dispenser. This is actually the screws to set it in beside the basin or in the bathroom. We can set it with these screws, and this is, I think, the key to open the lock. Here is the facility of a lock to open this lid. Here we have to put our liquid soap and close it. This is lock automatically, and you cannot open it without this key. Okay, and this is the switch. When you press it, the soap will come from here. So I think it's very pretty product, and also this build quality is very good. We open it from its back side. Here you can see these holes, and you can add it, and you can set it in beside the basin or in the bathroom with the screws, and then attach with it. The build quality is very good. I bought it from flipkart.com. Actually I bought two same product, and we get a combo offer, so you can take it and use as a soap dispenser. This is very useful thing for our daily life. After and before our lunch or dinner, we have to wash our hands, and for hygienic, and the quality is very good. I think this is worth of money. So that's all. Thank you for watching this video.
At last, thank you very much for watching this video. Like this video if it is beneficial for you, and also it motivate me. And share this video with your friends, it may help them. Comment down your thoughts or any doubts regarding this video, and you can also suggest me some topic for my further videos. And of course, subscribe to my channel for more videos and click the bell icon for time to time notifications. Thank you.